Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you how to track student progress in Teachable analytic guides. The link to Teachable will be in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. So let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So first thing is to access your course report. To get started, first log into your Teachable dashboard. Like I've done so, look at over the left hand side and then click on the courses. Now look over for an option that says individual student progress. So if you have the students already listed over here, you will see the student catalog. But if it doesn't show you, you can always go to the similar page, for example like actions and all the stuff. But in order to see the report on progress of these students, you must have students in the courses. So that's the thing. Then you can analyze the video engagement stats and all the stuff. Right now I don't have any engagement as of I'm doing it for the conceptual and for the tutorial basis. I'm not creating my own courses, but that is how you guys can do it. And once you do it, you will be able to see the curriculum, the design, certification, pricing, sales page, and everything. In the students option, if I click on the students, it will lead me to the students, but as I haven't added any students and there is no progress report, I won't be able to see from here like this. But if you have like that, you'll be able to see and track the progress from here. I hope you understand the video and how you guys can actually see it through. But that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one.